In a city that gets as cold as Edmonton, there are still those without a home who don't feel comfortable going to a shelter.
We see a significant amount of individuals who choose not to use shelters for a variety of reasons, and that can't be ignored.
Fear of thefts, not wanting to be separated from a partner or pet, and just not feeling safe are some of the reasons that Boyle Street Community Services staff hear from people not wanting to go into an emergency shelter. They are glad to see the City of Edmonton's #1 ask of the province ahead of next month's budget includes adopting a stricter minimum standard for housing. Edmonton estimates the homeless population has doubled since 2019 and are asking for Alberta to match federal and municipal dollars spent on supportive housing units currently being built. That's a $49.7 million ask.
Create hundreds and hundreds of jobs for hardworking Edmontonians who are struggling to find employment. So this will be a win-win situation for on jobs front, on growing our economy, and helping us most vulnerable people become part of the community and heal and have the proper support and housing in place.
On top of that, hoping for $24.1 million per year so Homeward Trust can provide wraparound services and start work for future supportive housing. The CEO of Homeward Trust notes they are thankful for the funding they already get from the province, around $29 million per year to help get Edmontonians off the streets.
And those programs are doing great work all of the time, and they've had a huge impact. In the pandemic, though, it's been challenging work for sure, and there's a particular need that has just frustrated all of our efforts collectively as a community to really make an impact.
A statement from the Minister of Community and Social Services office outlines funding already in place, saying they are aware of the City of Edmonton's concerns ahead of the February 24th budget. But for advocates, they see money spent now as cost savings.
There is a gap here, and it is a far more affordable gap than either those emergency services or in some cases those really other more intensive models.
To support someone down the road once, their health has maybe deteriorated more, they've had to spend time in hospital.
For Mayor Sohi, he says he's optimistic.
We will be able to convince our provincial government that Edmonton matters to them.
In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.